Common Sense Success Business Practice number 94 is use time study sheets. Why did you do this?
Well, my staff came to me and they said they don't have enough time to get their job done. And one of the people I was working with said, well, we need to keep some time study sheets. And I thought, what a pain, time study sheets. And what he explained to me was that every 15 minutes we would write down what we were doing in that 15-minute increment. We would keep track of that on a daily basis, and we'd do that for a week. And at the end of the week, we would recap what we were spending our time doing. This wasn't very complicated. You know, you just take the common functions and you make a little mark and you code it some way where you know what the functions are. So after a week's work, we called our staff together. We said, okay, did you recap your time that you spent? And they said yes. And we said, have you discovered where you're wasting your time? And they said yes again. And I said, well, where are you wasting your time? And they looked at me and they said, with you. I said, what do you mean with me? They said, well, you're wasting our time with a lot of meetings we have to go to that keeps us from getting our work done. And I thought, now that can't be true. But then I looked at my time study sheet that I kept, and I found out that we were tying our people up in meetings from 10 to 15 hours a week. And I made a commitment at that time, after doing the time study sheet, that I would not use any more than 10% of their time in any one week in meetings. That means no more than 4 hours of their time. And when I did those meetings, I would plan those ahead of time, send out an agenda, and we would have a specific objective and a specific time schedule for that meeting. That's the benefit of a time study.
Wow, that's great.